How much does it cost to build an app like Tinder? From a conceptual standpoint, Tinder is a dating app designed to facilitate the connection between people based on expressed mutual interest. Users create profiles in order to be able to browse through the list of profiles already existent on the platform in the attempt of finding partners. This process classifies Tinder as a dating app, similar in concept and functionality to platforms such as OkCupid, Bumble, or Happen. From a technical standpoint, Tinder's platform integrates a mix of functionalities that facilitate the interaction between people that want to connect. The goal of the platform is to learn as much details about each individual as to feed them with profiles of people which would match their expressed preferences. This implies that each user has to like a certain profile and be liked back by that profile so that a match can happen, while an algorithm studies the browsing behavior of each user and adapts the feed of incoming profiles based on the manifested preferences. The mentioned modules contain features that can be deconstructed into tasks, which are then implemented by a development team within a given time frame. Creating a qualitative variant of Tinder entails a 2-month period dedicated to requirement engineering, architecture, and infrastructure configuration with a cost of around $8,000. For actual development, a medium-sized team would then require around 5 months at a monthly expense of $22,000. This renders an approximate total cost of $118,000 for the concept.